What I'm not gonna do is get another pair of these crispy moccasins sockified because of this fucked up weather. This shit ain't nothing to play with. Called me this morning, talk about it's about to snow for 18 hours straight, so I went back to sleep, said I got a few more hours before I tell these people the weather. It's gonna be snowing anyway. But this is your niggerologist, the weatherman Jim. About 36 degrees outside, currently snowing, fucked up. They said it's about to rain and then get back to snowing. So if I was you, I'd get you a fucking pair of galoshes, you heard? You baby girl with the lace front, you're gonna need a plastic bag to cover that joint and then some earmuffs and a headband to wrap around the front. You know, we back, man. Lit news. Quick weather update. Shit whack outside. Please be careful. If you don't know how to drive, this ain't the time for you to be driving, Jack. I holla.